Morning, 8th grade. I'm going over week 23, 5 a day, in case you need some help. So for the Monday, you are going to be looking at this word singing. It ends with ing. Remember, we have a couple of them that end with ing. Look to see if it is describing the word that follows. If so, you would pick participle adjective. And if it ends with ing, if it is not describing the word after, then it would be a gerund and a noun. You know how to do the connotation. You might need to look up the word cumbersome, but cumbersome, clumsy, awkward, you know what to do there, and then you get to choose the word that fits in based on the context of the sentence. Number 4, successor. Again, please use the context of the sentence in your definition rather than just looking up what successor means. You'll probably have to look that up, maybe not, but if you do, don't forget you're looking for the synonym. You might need to look up some of these other words also. This word persevere, you've probably heard more as perseverance. That's it for Monday. If you're staying on for Tuesday, or listening in only for Tuesday, on Tuesday for number 1, you have to be choosing if it's an active or passive voice. Remember, we do that by seeing if the subject is doing the action or the creature's doing the action. Number 2, when you type up your answer, you don't have to put the wrong word, just type up the word and spell it correctly. Number 3, do your my definition and then your dictionary definition, look that up. And then 5 words. Again, the DIF should be at the beginning and the PERSE part should be something probably more toward the end. Wick and candle. The wick is the thing that you like in a candle. So when you're thinking of that, think of part to whole, and that should help you with those choices. That's it for Tuesday. For Wednesday, it ends with a question mark. So remember, imperative is bossy, interrogative is a question, conditional is an if-then kind of situation. Subjunctive is a sentence that probably has a wish or a desire, and indicative would be the mood where it's just a fact. I think that one's pretty obvious. Number 2, as far as proofreading, I would say there's 8. Please just type the sentence correctly, trying to make all 8 corrections. For the word acquired, you might need to look that up. I think you know that word, but I would say that there are 3 choices that you should be circling. For number 4, as far as choosing commas, parentheses, or dashes, they want you to choose parentheses, and your brain is just going to look for the same places that you would put commas, you would put parentheses. Antonym of the word genuine is what you need to be looking for, so don't forget antonym means opposite. And you might need to look up some of those words. That's it for Wednesday. For Thursday, you have these 3 little sentences. They need to be joined as one sentence, and they need to be punctuated correctly. So don't forget to do that, otherwise I usually mark that wrong. For number 2, you are choosing if it's voice or mood, and looking at the sentence, it looks like since we have this and here, that we need to be looking at this beginning part and this end part, and I would say it's probably a problem with voice, where one part of the sentence is active and one part of the sentence is passive. Wanton, in this word, they led to wanton eating. In this case, since they're all adjective definitions, you'll just have to do that by what makes the most sense definition-wise. For number 4, there are 2 things to underline. So obviously you're not underlining, but you'll just type the word. So 2 things, and then you'll identify it if it's a gerund, participle, or infinitive. Okay? And then lastly, just separate when you're typing this up into your 3 parts. You don't have to label them. You can just type the prefix and give some space, and then give some space for the suffix. So that's week 23. If you have any questions, ask me when we're in class, or message me, and I'll be glad to answer. Please try to have this done by Friday, but if you have it done Thursday, that'd be even better. All right, I will see you in class.